LEXUS Portugal approached our college with an interesting proposal to collaborate and participate in the LEXUS Design Awards 2018. For me, this was an exciting opportunity to be involved in such a prestigious brand, to organise and collaborate this event together with my colleagues. It was planned to make a workshop, create ideas and concepts for this competition. Therefore, I suggested to make a design camp in Ofia and invite participants from all over Europe with different design backgrounds. There were challenges and objectives to achieve every day, starting with a competition briefing from LEXUS, some inspirational talks from designer Alex Neumeister, engineer Sergio Teles, and several design teachers from the school, including myself, from product, fashion, interiors, graphics, and multimedia design. The briefing from LEXUS was extremely interesting, entitled CO, which in Latin means partnership or together. It's about making something harmonious, elements or entities that coexist together, allowing us to explore as a group our potential and our environment by creating new proposals through collaboration, coordination and connection. Once the briefing was clear and the foundations of the workshop defined, we could proceed through the week with group brainstorming, targeting ideas, developing concepts, then finally visualizing the potential solutions. Of course, this wasn't just work, and in the summer evenings we found time to play volleyball, we went beach trekking and even canoeing in the river nearby. With the feedback from all involved, I believe it was a great week. As a team, we defined several would-be solutions to further develop and enter to the LEXUS Design Awards. We were given 3 LEXUS cars to use during the design camp, which was both an amazing experience and helped us really understand the values of the brand. And more importantly, the experience and relationships that developed during this event, I believe, will stay with us for a very long time.